Hey everybody, so just like the majority of the people, I use the link that Heather posted in the discussion board to record this video, and it's actually really easy to set up. You just go to the website, click download, and it does everything from there. We'll see how I do once I'm supposed to upload this video. That might be the tricky part. But I really liked this week's reading on being frugal with your money. I've learned a lot from my parents, especially my mom, as I've grown up, on just how to spend money wisely, especially when it comes to grocery shopping. As a college student, I've realized it's very difficult to grocery shop and to, I guess, not put everything in your cart and to be wise when you go grocery shopping. I've realized that a couple of things add up to be a lot of money. And so for my mom, growing up, I was very much attached to my mom's hip. She basically couldn't go anywhere without me. We were great buds. But because of that, I ended up going to the store every week with my mom when she went grocery shopping for our family. And so before we went to the store, she would sit down and plan out each meal for every day of the week. And based off of what she planned out, then she would make a shopping list. And when we went to the store, she would only buy what was on her shopping list. I mean, sometimes she would miss something on her shopping list, and so she would throw it in the cart as she saw it in the store. But for the most part, she was really good at sticking to her shopping list, and that helped her keep on track and keep the budget, because she wasn't just throwing random things in her cart and then deciding later on in the week what she was going to make for meals. But instead, she had the ingredients that she needed, and it helped her to only go to the store once a week, every Friday. And so now being in college has helped me because for the most part, I sit down every week and decide what I'm going to have for my meals, and then based off of what I decide I'm going to have, then that's what I buy at the store, and it's helped me to save a lot of money at the store and to only buy what I actually need instead of just looking at something and wanting to buy it even though I don't really need it. And then something else that we read about was about couponing and ad matching, which my mom has become really good at. She couponed a lot when I was little, and she also ad matched a lot. And something cool that she's taught me just in the past year or two that has come out at Walmart is that instead of having to go through the ads every week and compare prices to ad match, at Walmart now you just can download their app on your phone, and then you scan in the barcode that's on the bottom of your receipt after you check out, and then the app basically ad matches for you, and so it calculates your savings based on the other prices from other stores, and then they take that money and just put it it just is on your account on your app, and then once you decide that you want to use that money that you've saved, you just can go to the store and you get a gift card with the amount of money that you've saved, and then you have that money from a gift card at Walmart that you can then spend to buy more groceries. So I think that's super cool. If you want to try that out, you totally can. It's just the Walmart app, I'm pretty sure. So that's something that's really cool that I learned from my mom. And just to wrap up, food, going out to eat food. So I realized from this class with our budgeting assignments that going out to eat is a lot more expensive. It just adds up a lot more than I realized, because I would go out once a week to get food, but now I realize that even once a week is a lot. And so it's been super helpful just reading this week's reading and having our budgeting assignment has helped me realize just how expensive it is to go out and get food, and how much better it can be to just buy raw ingredients and veggies and to cook those at home. Also, it's a lot healthier for you. So that's been super cool to kind of realize as I've done the assignments for this course. Just the last thing, I saw this, there's a little quote in the chapter that just says, "Money, when used wisely, can be a great blessing to our families and others." And I love that because it just really shows that money is such a great thing that we've been given, and as we learn to use it wisely, then we can use it to bless not only ourselves and our families, but those around us. And so I thought that was cool. And those are my thoughts from this week's reading.